walk, we met after dark. Your friend gave you a ride, you stepped out of his car. The moon lit up the street, it was the middle of July, but it was cold like November that night. You're looking right at me and I'm looking away. You're telling me everything I'm too scared to say. You say my eyes are like something that you have never seen before, and I can't help but fall. And I know that I'm so far gone, I'm so gone right now. He knows I'm down and he'll knock me out. Just one more look and he'll burn me down. He'll burn me down. With our hearts on fire, we lit up the night, left our fears behind, running for our lives like we never die. And it felt like magic, but I knew I couldn't have it. We were just so close, it's tragic. We could feel the burn of our hearts on fire, our hearts on fire. I can't even breathe, you're like a shooting star. I know you could burn out, but I can't see that far.